Alright guys, here I got my 81 Malibu that I crashed earlier this year. Well, this college year. Back in November, I believe. September. November. Yeah, this guy, he made a U-turn in front of me and I hit my brakes and I slammed into him. So this whole part right here got pushed back. As you can see by the support beam, it's not straight like that one. See how straight that one is? This one's bent back. I also had to get a bumper support, but other than that, she runs strong. I already took this fender off. I'm about to take this off right here. See, it's loose. I was just waiting for a buddy of mine to come through. I need some line wrenches to take these two lines off that go from the transmission to the radiator. Yank this off. Got a whole nose right there. Throw that on and put my baby back on the road. So, little story time. I got this car. Was in our family for a long time. My grandmother used to drive this car. So, my dad, he had a 74 Chevelle and he traded that car for this one because he couldn't find parts for it. And I drove it through high school at St. Francis Prep. And she's just been there ever since. And one day I had to rush this psychology class, and I made that one mistake. It cost me my baby. You guys probably know me from driving that Nova, but this is where it all began, right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to work. Got my condenser lines off. I snaked my wires through. Got the hose off. This whole header panel's ready to come out. All I'm gonna do is take the radiator off, take the condenser off, take the fan off, wet and blew it down, and come over here to this nose with the pinstripes. See the header panel straight. So all I'm gonna do is throw all my stuff in here, call it a day. So actually came with a pump, some hoses. I think this one's cracked, even though I have a fender well for it. I don't need that. I already have one of those. I'm glad this one came with this bolt because on my fender, I didn't have one. I had to make a makeshift one. Yeah, lights are good, bezel's good. Now, I've been contemplating whether to do black on black, but y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments I should do. Should I do chrome? Put the chrome back? Let's see, it's all peeling off. Cause it was blacked out like the Grand National. If y'all don't know what that is, y'all should go look that up. Buick Grand National GNX. Blacked out G-body. This is my version of it. Yep. It's got a 204R transmission, which is overdrive. That is made for the Monte Carlo. That's a Monte Carlo steering wheel, of course, for the tilt. Yeah, overdrive. Put the 373s back. 305 overdrive. 373. It's one mean car, man. I'm telling y'all. If you know, you know. Yep. I'll be working on this one. I need a master cylinder. I'm about to go pick up from AutoZone. More videos to come in the future. Let me know what y'all want me to post about in the comments. Like, subscribe, touch your kid out.